Good morning, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. I am practicing Delhi District Court as well as Supreme Court order. Today we'll discuss when the girl has problem in the matrimonial dispute house and fight arise on the basis of dowry. So, what item she can count in dowry matters and how to proceed in dowry cases. What is the condition of this case and whether this dowry case is applicable after marriage or not, or what are the rights in dowry cases. Generally, we define Istridhan in is not defined neither in dowry cases nor in Supreme Court and High Court. But generally, it is said that when the woman get married and she get Istridhan from her parents' side, her in-laws' side, or at the time of vidai, whatever item she get, that is called Istridhan. And she has full right on all kind of items which are given to her as a gift, and that is her right, and other doesn't have right, and she kept all the items with her safely. But there is a story where a husband and wife got married, and at the first night, the husband requested the wife that you keep all the gold and other heavy items on locker, and my mother has safe locker. You can keep all the things safely. So lot of Istridhan was given, gold jewelry was given by her parents, as well as they are given 2 lakh cash to husband, plus they are given Swan Mudra, some of the amount of Swan Mudra, 869, 89 Swan Mudra also to the husband, because generally when the girl get married, the only parents has emotional and financially they just want to help the girl, so that in future if their daughter has any problem, she can use the money for herself and her family related problem. So generally they don't have any other ego that they want to show up, but only give for as a gift. So they get given, and it was kept by in-laws, mother of the husband, in the safe locker. And after some time she came to know that all the jewelry which she has given and kept in the locker was handed over to somebody where they have taken loan, personal loan at the time of marriage, and they kept all the gold item on girvi and taken the loan amount and clear all the loan amount by taking the money from the jeweler. Then she talked to them, and the panchayat was organized. Matter was not settled there. Then she has gone to the family court, not to the high court, not in Supreme Court. In family court, she put an allegation that her parents has given sufficient dowry item and lot of gold jewelry item, 2 lakh cash and Swan Mudra also, which were kept by the husband as well as his mother in the locker, and after that they had misused the dowry item. When the misuse were come, that is a criminal breach of trust, and there the dowry case 498 and 406 started, and then the complaint was lodged against the husband and in-laws, where the family court 2 benches were seated together, and they decided that they had done a wrong thing, it's a criminal breach of trust. So they passed a order in favor of the girl, and then on this direction, on taking this order, they have gone to the High Court, where High Court given direction that this case is not a, husband is not a criminal person, he is not in any criminal thing. So High Court given the different order, passed different order, and for taking the order of High Court, the girl has gone to the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has two questions in front of them, whether dowry item given to her at the time of vidai, at the time of marriage, or in-laws, whether that is related to her, and secondly, whether husband and in-laws have right in the dowry item or not. So Supreme Court has detailed discussion in this. They have also discussed what High Court has ordered and why it was wrong, and then they decided that all the dowry items which are given to the girl at the time of marriage and by either by her parents or in-law that is related to her only, and if any gift is given, that is related to her only. The other person doesn't have right. But the Supreme Court has done a right thing, that which was order passed in April 2024. They have given one direction that in case husband has any problem, financial crisis, then he can use that dowry item, but that amount has to be returned as soon as his work is over and he is financially strong. That amount will not be kept with her. So the both way, the husband and wife have a relief also, but it was clearly indicate that in 2024 April, that if dowry item given by either by her parents, in-laws, or at the time of vidai to the woman, to the girl, that is her own actual right. If you have any queries in detail about this, you can feel free to talk to me. My number is 9818 277 131. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. I regard for all of you. Thank you so much.